All right, people. I got some people from Germany, some people from Canada into MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. They just had the jerk chicken. This is my friend. She just came from Canada looking for Jamaican food. We're going to come back to them in a minute. All right, say Canada in the house. And this is the people that came yesterday at 6 o'clock. I couldn't cook yesterday because I was sold out of food. So they made an order and they came back today. Now, guys, I want you to tell the people your name. And we know you're from Germany, right?
No,
Finland. From Finland. Finland in the house. So you tell them how you like the chicken. What's your name?
Mintu.
Mintu.
Best chicken in the world.
Wow, you see that?
Pete.
Pete.
Same word. Best of the world.
Best in the world. The English is not good, but you get the picture.
My name is Vera and this is so delicious.
Thank you, Vera.
My name's Tom. It's awesome.
Awesome. The real deal, right? And they like the pepper because look the chicken. There was pepper on there.
Yeah.
And this long pretty lady.
I never tried anything like this before, so great.
Oh wow.
And my
You
name
see?
is Maria.
Maria. And you, my friend?
Hey, my name is Timo, and this was really
Good.
great.
Their English is not perfect, but you get the picture. Food has no language. They love the food. They saying they love it, even though it's full with pepper. They tear it up.
Hey, I want to say in Finnish language, erittäin hyvää kanaa.
Ah, that's in the language. Say that again.
Erittäin hyvää ruokaa.
Erittäin hyvää ruokaa.
Kyllä.
In Finland.
In Finland.
Ah, yeah, you see that, guys? Now we're dealing with the Finlander. People from Finland. Big up to all the people. Big up to the people in the MOSHA'S regular. Boom, shaka attack. And the people them from Canada right outside of the house. What's your name, baby?
Samantha.
Samantha. And your name?
Brody.
Brody. Them come with some other people, but Samantha love jerk chicken. My boy bring them over here from Haiti.
That's what's up, though. Made a bullshit Haitian, Jamaican.
Sapase with the same. And you, brother?
Over and over.
From Haiti. Boom, 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 boom in the house. In the Jamaican Reggae Lounge. MOSHA'S Reggae Lounge. We're signing out.